Well, ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, and today we are going to be talking about Siacoin and what in the hell is going on with the price action around it. Before we do, check me out on Twitter. This is where I drop all the latest and greatest videos, upcoming live streams, charts, things I find interesting, and all sorts of shenanigans. So currently, Siacoin is trading at 0.0182. I'm very happy about that, considering what we've been through the last few days with the market and Bitcoin. One other good thing that we have going for us is that Siacoin is really still on track. We have really not taken any dramatic or major step backs in the grand scheme of price action and where this thing is actually going. We can see that right now, Siacoin is still trading within this trend. So we are sitting good. Still, until we violate this long-lasting trend, that could signal a change in the ecosystem. But for now, we almost have a couple trend lines that we can pay attention to. So with that said, let's really look at the true potential of Siacoin right now. And I've mentioned this in the previous videos that we may in fact be gearing up for quite a nice move to the upside, possibly to retest some of these highs back in April of around 6 cents. If price action continues to bounce in between this 0.015 and 0.027-ish area, and maybe kind of, squeeze right into this symmetrical triangle, I think we'll be sitting good. I do think that Siacoin is definitely on the right track still. Even if we break this little trend line here, we might still be on track. So let's look at the daily chart. And if you guys could please just smash that like button, I would totally appreciate it. I sincerely appreciate it, actually, more than you know. And then let's go ahead and just throw up a little inside pitchfork. And you can see where Siacoin is really obeying the parameters of this inside pitchfork. Price action is trading well within these channels here. So I do think that this might be the direction that we see Siacoin really trade into the spring. That's right, I said spring. Maybe into January, February, we might get a nice break out of this. So let's go ahead and throw up a little time sequence to boot. And you can really see how this time sequence has been pretty spot on. It predicted a little reversal here, a reversal here. So it wouldn't surprise me that sometime in late February, early March, we might see price action leave this triangle and come up and reverse off the upper part of this trend line. We may see something like this happen where we move that way, or this may be the point in time where Siacoin starts to take off. We just don't know until we get there. All I know is that March 13th for Siacoin may be significant. So I do think that things are still looking good. We still have a nice little cup and handle here. We just kind of need to form off the tailing to move up, kind of like what happened here. So I do think that we're still looking good, and I do think that Siacoin is prepping for another staircase climb similar to what we saw here. And if you just kind of look at previous price history and examples, we can see how we may be somewhere kind of, I want to say we might be somewhere kind of like right in here, if I had to guess. So I do think that in the coming months, January, February, March, we'll definitely see this thing kind of squeeze and then make a move to the upside, hopefully. So that's kind of where we're at with Siacoin right now. So if you see this really trading, I'd say below 0.0174-ish to 0.015-ish. You might want to check back in with this channel for updates, or let me know, and I can certainly look into this. But I do think that we are setting up for bigger things here. So this is kind of a shorter video on Siacoin. I just wanted to make a video because it's been a week or so since the last Siacoin video, but I think that things are looking good. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Thanks for subscribing and supporting the channel. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon, it's $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. We'll see you guys on the next video.